Hi everybody, welcome back. I've got a short one for you today. How many times have you been part of the way through a project and you've perhaps put it down a bit heavily or maybe dropped it and you've put a little dent in your piece of wood? Well, today I'm going to show you how I fixed it whilst I was making some speaker stands using some water and one of these. Check it out. Okay, so we have a problem. I have just noticed a ding in the side of the wood. I do not know how that happened. It's a pretty nasty one. I'm not sure if I can fix it, but we'll give it a go. And we're going to use the... oh, it's got a little... okay. So we'll give it a go. We're going to use the steam technique. We literally just use some water and an iron, and hopefully this will work. But it works on smaller dings. That's quite a bad one, so I don't know, hopefully improve it at least. So what we do is we spray it with water and give it time to soak in. Okay, let's give that a try. It's right on the corner as well, which is going to make things even harder. So use some clean thin paper, cloth. We're going to put that over the top. And we get our iron. And normally if you just do it on the flat, that's all right. On the corner, I'm not sure. We will see. We can do it more than once, so I'll give that a try to start with. Oh, that's improved it a lot. You can barely see it. That's not bad. There's a little flake there. It actually broke the grain, but that's a big improvement. I should be able to sand that out. I'm going to try again, put a bit more. Let's try that and make it a bit wetter. Obviously don't want to burn the wood. Definite improvement. Barely see it. There's a slight mark. Yeah, I think that's been a success. Phew. If you like this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons.